What's up, you guys? Today we're talking about the number one secret when it comes to building great relationships. Hope you guys enjoy it. So the number one secret to building great relationships, when you talk to people, talk to them about the most important subject in the world to them. You might be asking, what the is that? Obviously, how are you going to know if, let's say we just met today, how do I know what's important to them? It's simple math. Themselves. That's the only thing people care about. Ask them questions about themselves, talk to them about themselves, and they will love you for that every single time. All right, guys. So some questions you can ask people, for example, they could be, number one, how is your family? Ask them about their family. Are they a family man, woman? All right, question number two, how is your son doing? Always ask, something that has to do with them. Their son is part of the family, but it's more specific. This will show interest that, you actually give a fuck about what's going on in their life, and they will really, really appreciate that. All right, question number three, where is your daughter living now? If you haven't talked to this person in a while, they have a son, they have a daughter, they're gonna be like, oh, he remembers, like he actually cares, that kind of thing. All right, number four, how long have you been with the company? How's it going there? Are you liking it? Are you tired of it? Like, what's going on? Like, ask them about these kind of things. Why? Work is really important for people because that majority of their lifetime they're gonna spend working. Ask these questions, guys. And question number five, did you enjoy your trip? Maybe you haven't seen them, but they were on vacation somewhere. Ask them about it. How was your time in vacation? How was your time visiting this place, visiting that place? How was the time spent? What did you do on vacation? Ask them all these questions, guys. They make a big difference. All right, I'm gonna leave it by giving you these two little tips. Tip number one is most of us are not effective with others because we keep busy thinking and talking about ourselves in our own head. When we are listening to someone, we are thinking about what we're gonna say that will bring the conversation back to us. At the end of the day, we're just like, all right, shut up. Let me say something now. Let me bring myself into it. I'm going to admit, I agree with this right here. We are always trying to fucking talk, when at the end of the day, it's like we got to listen to them. That's what it comes down to. We got to listen better. All right. So tip number one, most of us are not effective with others because we are busy thinking and talking about ourselves in our own head. Before we even say something, we're already like, whoa, what can I say to get myself into this conversation? What can I say? Oh, okay, we're not even paying attention to the person that's talking to us. All right, tip number two, take these 4 words out of your vocabulary. I, me, my, and mine. It doesn't have to do with you. It's all about the person you are talking to. Forget about yourself for a second when you're having conversations. Worry about them, not yourself. All right, guys. So let's go over it one more time. So the number one secret to building great relationships, always speak to them about themselves. Themselves is the most important subject to that person. Always remember that. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give us a like. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.